What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Patreon request today from Emmanuel on Patreon. Lolopechka from Black Clover. She's got like a crown. She must be royalty or something. I don't really know. I'm not familiar with this character from Black Clover. So let's just go for it. Landscape page, pencil, eraser, hip pause if I go too fast. We start with her eyes. Center point of my page is about here. The eyes are on the center point because the crown is so big, so they're on the halfway line. Let's go. Top eyelid line. Pretty simple. So we'll go curve line, up and down, right? We have to thicken it up. We add just a little spike coming off here. Bottom eyelid line comes across and up, and then she has some like eyelashes sticking off the corner, just there. Iris and pupil, long iris lines, just there, and her pupil sort of a long sort of pupil in the middle again. It's not like a perfect circle or anything. Makes it easier for us anyway. Right, so then our eyelid line here, curving down, and then we'll give her some big eyelashes sticking up there. So our eyebrow, just above that, comes over there, up, and then down. She could have another eyelid line or something in there. We go over and do the other eye. Up, down. Thicken it up. Add that little spike sticking off. Bottom eyelid line. Across like so. Add some eyelashes sticking off. Iris, curved lines there. Pupil, a long sort of circle in the middle. Eyelid line coming across the top. And then eyelashes. Eyebrow, similar sort of shape. Doesn't have to be the exact same. Like that. Okay, so for her nose, we have a line just coming down here on the left. Leave a gap, add another line, and then we have some nostrils. And then add a line just coming across her nose as well. Her mouth, just sort of downturned. She's sort of not really smiling, so it's just like a downturned kind of mouth like so. And then her bottom lip, just there. Right, so then her chin, just like so. Check your proportions. Top eye, eyelid line, just here to the nostrils, about the same as nostrils to chin. And then nostrils to the bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to chin. So here to here, about the same as here to here, roughly. Right, so then you can go up the side of her face for her jaw. Okay, and then we change direction. Like so. So she has all this frilly stuff, right? So we'll get her neck in first. So we go down this way for her neck, down that way. And then she's a crown on the top of her head, and all this frill comes out of it. So comes across here. Okay, and it's about the size of her nose. You'd want to go up maybe. So then we have all this bumping stuff coming out and around, right? So you go like step in, back in, and then the underneath part you have to draw in. It's like that. Go in again, back in, and then underneath. So this is all coming down across her face. Like so, goes over her ears and everything. So she has like a jewel or something hanging down here. We'll just do the other side first. So we'll go bumping, step back in there. That. So you're just gonna have to copy this as best you can. There's no real secret to it. So these lines kind of go back up from the corners like that. Makes it look a bit more like fabric. Right, and then there. Then we can just see her ears in this space, right? So it just comes up like so. And maybe some ear lines. And her head will go back up under there. Right, so we have these jewels that dangle down from here. Okay, so like we got this like say oval sort of shapes. Another one here. And then it goes down to there. This goes behind her ear. It's same sort of thing. And they're like golden. So then it like waves out, bumps out this way. Like so. And then this whole headdress sort of thing that she wears goes all the way down. And it'll eventually go behind her shoulders, right? So it goes like bumps all in here. So I guess we'll do her shoulders and then we'll do the crown. So, and again, lots of frill and all this kind of stuff. Okay, so she has more bumpy kind of frilly things. See if you just go sort of wavy in and out like this first. Okay, and then we can just go down the sides of them, down to the back. And then the front will sort of curve like this. And then her shoulder comes off this way, I think. Yeah. And down, right? Shoulder, down. And we'll just finish all these frills and things in here too. Okay. So then her neck, so she got like neck muscles here. Okay. And then she has a chain that hangs down on her neck, right? So this, it's a golden sort of, and it's bumpy sort of line, right? Hangs down this side, goes around to a medallion down here. I can't fit it in. Feel free to put it in if you can fit it. right? And then we have another frilly part of her costume coming across here. And then it kind of just bumps around again. And maybe comes up the other side. And then her collarbones. And then there's like 3 jewels hanging off chains here. And that seems to be just drawn in with this dotted line. Like that. And then we got some V's coming down this way. Okay, now we got to finish all this stuff inside here, okay? So, right, another sort of frilly line like that. Another one coming across here. And just keep doing this, building it up, sort of. Right, but of course each of these has like inside lines and stuff like that, right? And this will go all the way up there. So you're bringing the end of these bumps up like that. And there's some lines in behind. So it just makes it look like it's folding sort of fabric lines and things. Right, so like up here, say. So you're kind of zigzagging. You're zigging when you should have been zagging. Like this. Right? Okay. Right, I think that's all her lace sort of stuff. So we'll do a crown. So her crown goes up both sides, like so. And then there's like all these shapes inside here. So we'll just take it slow. So we go out, in, out, in. This goes down, up, and then out. Up, down. They kind of zigzag out and in. Big one in the middle. Like that, right? And there's all these lines, right? So like here, and then there's these sort of infinity symbols. Where's the other one? Oh, here. Okay, and then there's all these edge lines on the inside. Just fit tracing around. Like that. And oh yeah, and there's some in behind. There's more symbol in there. I won't do that. If you want to do it, you know, it's very easy to find, but it would just take like a bit long. So we just add the shadowy sort of shapes that are in behind here as well. There's a couple of her crown in behind. Right, but that's everything. That's how to draw Lolo. Oh wait, she has a freckle. Lolopechka. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the request. Anyone else with requests of characters I don't normally draw, head on over to Patreon. You can sign up, even send me the image. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.